Hey Team LSF, I'm about to head into one of my favorite grocery stores, Trader Joe's, to check out some of the best fresh and frozen, ready-to-eat meals when you're short on time and don't feel like cooking. I just started my summer challenge, so I've been super focused on eating clean and healthy, but I don't really want to spend a ton of time or money. So let's head in and I'll show you my top 10 things to buy. Trader Joe's is tricky because it feels like a health food store, but it's not. Like 90% of it is candies and cookies and crazy processed things. So I really want to focus on finding not only fast and convenient, affordable meals, but ones that are healthy. So for this, my number one focus is protein, making sure that they're high protein meals, low sugar, and then at the end of the day, I can actually read the ingredients on the back. They were out of a few of my favorites, but I actually found a couple new things to share with you, so I'm super excited. All right, I'm back in my kitchen. I'm gonna break down each one of these and explain what makes it such an amazing grab-and-go healthy meal. And I think you're gonna be shocked at how much I spent. So I was kind of bummed that they didn't have some of my favorites, like this chimichurri chicken that is so good. So if you see that, grab it. But I did find the brand new organic green, very green soup. I've been seeing this on TikTok and other places. People have just said it is so amazing, just like a really light, yummy soup. What I love about it has spinach, kale, broccoli, coconut milk, and miso. But everyone said it's not like an overpowering coconut flavor. It's just that very subtle. And it has 200 calories in the entire container. So to me, this is a full serving. I'm not gonna split this into 2 servings. I'm gonna eat this as is, and 6 grams of protein. I would probably still throw some chicken breast in it, like cooked chicken or something. But even as is, you're getting a lot of protein and it's a really good light meal on the go. All right, this roasted rosemary chicken breast has brown rice and a wild rice blend. This is technically 3 servings. Not in my book. This to me is 2 servings. So really good for either you and someone else to share for dinner, or I would do this half of it for dinner, take the other half for lunch, but it's nice because it's just a heat and serve, easy, ready to go. It's about 275, 300 calories if you do 2 servings, and you're getting around 9 grams of protein per serving. So again, for me, I look at the ingredients to make sure they're clean and simple as possible. I'm also looking at protein as my number one always. It's gotta be higher in protein and any added sugar. So this one has 2 grams of sugar, but no added sugar. So that's probably coming from just the rices or something in there, I don't know. But really, really lean, clean, such a delicious, healthy meal. And this one tastes like a home cooked meal, you know? All right, this grilled chicken breast, this is just the easiest. And I wanna show this one quick up front because this is one that I throw into so many different things. Throw it on lettuce, great. Throw it into some of the other stuff I'm gonna show you. Throw it in the soup I mentioned. But it's just simple grilled chicken breast, sliced, ready to eat. You can have it cold, you can heat it up and serve it. Technically 4 servings in here. That's a 3-ounce portion though. So again, to me, about 2.5 servings maybe here, because I like to have more like a 4 to 5 ounce serving of protein. 120 calories, no big deal. Protein 23 grams per serving. So chicken is such a great way to get in that protein quickly. And just having chicken breast that's already ready to go, again, you can add it to anything. Chicken list, rice, cauliflower stir fry. So there's no meat in it, and there's no actual grains. You're getting that cauliflower. So this is really friendly for anyone. But if you want to throw chicken in later, like the one I just showed you, that's perfect too, to add even more protein. But it's all plant-based, really clean. With frozen foods, the main thing I look for is sodium, trying to be cautious of that. This one has 20% sodium, so it's decently high. But I just have to be mindful of where I'm getting sodium the rest of the day, and I'm not gonna be eating this entire thing. So the whole container itself is 380 calories, which is not very much. That's not even an entire meal for us. So this is a really good one to split for dinner, for a family, grab on the go. You just warm it up and it's ready. I still can't get over how many different items I got that will feed multiple people and how, what I spent. It's so crazy, guys. I'll tell you in a second. But this is another one I found. So this is these chicken meatballs. Normally I do turkey meatballs and make ground turkey, but I wanted to try these because they were so clean and they sounded really good. Seasoned, fully cooked, gluten-free. Again, they're already ready to go. You just warm them up. But all it really is chicken and all the seasoning. There's nothing else. They're not adding a bunch of fillers in here, which is really important. So 4 servings per container. So that's 4 meatballs per serving. You're only 150 calories, 9 grams of fat, but healthy fats you're getting, and 16 grams of protein. So a really good high protein one. And I would be pairing this with the second one I'm gonna show you here. How good does this look? Okay, it's penne, I butchered this name, arrabbiata. Ryan says it right, I'm the worst. But it's like a spicy marinara kind of sauce, you know? And this one is really yummy. It's so simple and fresh. So there's a lot of pre-made pastas there that I don't touch. They're loaded with like unhealthy fats and tons of extra ingredients you don't need. This one is clean and simple. What I like about this too is, again, when you can see all the ingredients, you have really simple pasta, tomato, sunflower seed oil, extra virgin olive oil, a little salt, pepper, like easy. It also has a decent amount of protein, 5 grams of protein per serving. But then if you add in your chicken meatballs, you're gonna get a full-blown hearty meal and get tons of protein. And this is gonna serve 4 people right here, or multiple servings for you. And all you have to do is microwave it. This wild salmon is such a good single serving meal. So for dinner, for lunch, whatever, grab and go. For a family, I think this is perfect. It's so delicious too. It has yogurt, mint sauce, orzo pasta, spinach, and zucchini. So you're getting everything. You have those healthy fats, you have the omega-3s in the salmon, your fish, obviously your big protein, and those grains, really giving you like a full meal. It's only 310 calories. And again, I don't count calories, but it's good to be mindful of how many calories you're consuming throughout the day and within your meals. And it says 33 grams of protein because of that salmon, which is just absolutely amazing. Only 7 grams of fat, again, coming from your salmon. So when you know where your fats and your carbs are coming from, it makes it a lot easier to eat healthy because you're not worried about like getting them from bad places. Simple, it's clean, and it's wild caught salmon, which is better for us, of course. Another vegan option, this one is Thai green chili. It has tofu, vegetables, jasmine rice. You can always obviously add more to it, but since it has that tofu already, you're getting plenty of protein. How much is in here? 14 grams of protein. This is, again, a single serve. So a really good one to be able to take to work or wherever you're headed out. It's frozen, you can keep it in the refrigerator and have it good to go, just like a quick couple minutes in the microwave, and have a healthy meal where you know you're getting your carbs, your fats, your proteins, all of those things, plus your vegetables, so a lot of good fiber. Grilled chicken, rice, and veggie meals. This sounds like a meal prep person's heaven, and it really is. It's such a good one. Simple, clean ingredients, not too much added. It's a single serving. It has that like charbroiled kind of chicken in there. I see like big chunks of onion. It has 360 calories, but 43 grams of protein. 43 grams of protein, that's amazing. And the fiber in those grains, you're really getting a well-balanced meal. And it was really affordable, you guys. If you've ever paid for meal prep delivery or anything like that, done. Like, this is your new solution. I'm gonna tell you, I've gotta get to that receipt. Just one second, I have one more though, one more for you. There's things we think about or we hear and you're like, that can't be healthy, but they can. And this is one. Italian style turkey meatloaf. So they used to only have this like beef one. I don't eat beef, but they have turkey now, and it is so simple. The ingredients are really, really clean and good. It's got the tomato sauce on top. This is perfect. You can throw on top of pasta, throw on top of some grains to get those in the mix too. Or if at the end of the day, you don't want to have all those grains in, eat it by itself with some veggies on the side. It's going to be delicious. Serves 4 people. So again, most of these meals have multiple servings in them, not just one. This serves 4 people. You got 24 grams of protein from that turkey. Ingredients, you can read, which is always really important. Has only 11 grams of carbs, has 2 grams of sugar, but that's nothing, you guys. So really great option for a yummy, kind of hearty, nostalgic meal. I feel like Meatloaf just has that vibe. Delicious, but still really clean. All right, so I'm gonna bring this all back in here because we just need to visualize as I tell you how much I spent on this. Again, 10 different things. Most of them, except for 2, I think, had multiple servings. So we're talking about at least 15 meals probably here, if not closer to 20 meals. Bring it all in, bring it all in. Woo! Okay, loaded. Some of this goes in the fridge, some goes in the freezer. Are you ready for it? Brace yourself. This was a whopping $75. $75. So even if I only got 10 meals, that's only $7 a meal. But like I said, we're probably closer to 20 servings here, which breaks it down to about $3.50, $4 maybe a meal. That's cheaper than fast food. So if you say, oh, I grab fast food because I can't afford to eat healthier, or I grab fast food just because it's so convenient, this is convenient. And this is more affordable than those fast food options. And And that is everything. My top 10 things to buy at Trader Joe's this summer. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know because I would love to do another one showing you some of those items that I couldn't get this time because they were out of stock. And if you're new to my channel, hi, hit the subscribe button. I have new videos for you every single week with recipes and grocery hauls like this to help you feel good faster. I love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye.